Simbut Menteri Rangba Kejela ba Singap Halang Dhar. Ulakin no ba kejinga lumpat ba jong ka Voice of the People Party ne ka VPP. Halor kamat lumpong deng Island. Kadai tang kabinta jong kejinga lap election. Na kabinta ke Shillong Lok Sabha by election. Haba kerenj kilat pathai kubor. Uba Singap Halang. Ula ong ba ka VPP kalas dang yalap election. Bat ke NPP ru kansas dang no. Ya kejinga lap hakatayo banwan. Halor karai banweng no ika lumpong deng Island. Na ka Project Taj Resort bat spa. Ulo ong baka sorkar kala de pinshay pat ba lale kat kum gujing kular. Ulo ong ru ba man laki seng sang perthei kidon hok banyalap election lada ka VPP ka kwa ban pindon kam ya ka ni kaman kum ka binta jong ka election kata ka shong haki hi. Shushu uba sngyaw bha ulo ong baka sorkar ka jupriang ka roi ka par hinre kala sngap ru ka sorjong kipat ba kum ta la shimrai ban pinbet ya ka ni ka kam hadian ka jing persha na kipat ba riboy.
You have resolved this. I've seen yesterday the statement from Deputy Chief Minister and the statement from Mawaila is very clear. And exactly it's happened like that only.
But there is a agitation tomorrow, public rally.
You see that public rally and all these things by VP, they're starting campaign because of the by-election MP, simple as that. And we also are going to start campaign only, maybe by next one. That is a part of the agenda to campaign.
But do you think that VPP is particularly targeting the NPP?
No, that you see, every political party is their duty to campaign for the by-election. No, maybe they want to use as a by-election agenda. That is it's up to them.
You also said in your meeting there that if people don't want the project here, we can take it to your constituency.
No, obviously you see actually we are almost I always welcome development when that's supposed. But now they're locally, so the government is listen to the voice of all these Sanju Grambas, you know, from the body sick, and you know very well Mawala give the statement very clear yesterday, and exactly that we resolve the issue.
Ka development bar ke imlang salang he ka de bani yai kat kat tar le ke badun kam tam ma klem ka development ngimla ban im klem ke imlang salang ngimla ban develop nadu ka umbam de menchua ngim ju yo tikenai umbam de re nadu bangila yo e ka JJM temut ka umbam umdi kala bit kala biang menta ka ne ke MG NRGS mo kiong te ka belah sis pasngi haginong kendong te ka ne lele ke ko kalat ka bu ka biang tam nam ta ki ba iyo ya karoy kapar iyo ya kam ke jam kilentik sinkin mo nong kumno ki jaka sajan ki pung tong ki pung do kha nadong sidong kene ka pas ngilele nakaling jok sarkari kala persyang ban le bha ha kene ka sinong jongi kaji kwa jongi lele kalong ba ngimdoi tang bagi kloy lada kadon hang nong ngile chawru mo hang nong kadon ta skim ngile chawru ken nam ta skim nong ji don kam ki ba jong kene ka sinong ken petulun ini kami petulun dah ke jing stu jing mut dah ke jing iit ta sarkar ka kit klik nam ta pajba ru utrelang nam ta ki brio jo ka department hagino ini ki benta nam ta jing don kam ka sarkar ka ai sa pajba